Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You are here with Anisha. So in my previous video, I spoke about 3 different personality types. That is the introvert, the extrovert and the ambiverts. So if you haven't checked out that video, then you might want to go and check that to identify your personality type. In that video, I spoke about the introverts, and we all know that introverts are not someone who are very outgoing or really chirpy when it comes to interacting with people. So that is why they might not be one of the most popular ones in the group. Of course, you guys are loved, but when it comes to interacting with a new group, you tend to sometimes be left out or not really included. And that is why in today's video, I will be giving you tips how you can be loved and popular whichever group you go if you are an introvert. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, as I said, you are not a really talkative or a very chirpy person. So every word that comes out of your mouth is like gold. So make sure that you use these golden words to praise others. I'm not asking you to always praise them, but when someone does something good, ensure that you acknowledge that and give them the credit for it. See, to tell you honestly, even the smallest appreciation that comes out from your end is really valuable to people. So make sure that you appreciate them whenever you feel. Telling people that they have done a good job or they're looking good on a given day makes them feel really good if it comes from you. No matter what you think, since your interaction with public is really on a lower side, people will love it when you appreciate them. Second, thank others when they compliment you. Now, a lot of introverts tend to shy away when they are complimented. Since they enjoy being with themselves, social interactions sometimes tend to make them feel uncomfortable. And when they are complimented, that certainly puts them in an awkward situation. So that is why, to you introverts, whenever someone compliments you, don't try to change the topic or ignore the person who is complimenting you. Instead, thank them for the compliment. Third, you generally tend to have a very single tone or a monotonous tone. So sometimes it would be really helpful if you try to bring variations in your tone. Getting variations in your tone, probably like excitement, will send a message to the opposite person letting him know that you are interested in that conversation. Next one is really important for you. That is concentrating on your body language. Now, a lot of conversation that you do is through your body language. Since you use fewer words, you need to use more hand gestures so the other person knows that you're interested in the conversation. Also, you can hold a good smile of yours so that the other person understands that you are really enjoying being around them. Now, for the next one, don't quote me on this, but there are few articles that suggest that introverts don't tend to maintain eye contact. So you know it. If you are one of those who tend to not maintain eye contact while talking, it's always recommended that you have eye contact with the person that you're talking with. It not only shows that you're interested in what the person is talking, but also shows confidence. Last but not the least, don't rush when you're in conversation with someone. Now, as I said, being an introvert, you certainly tend to feel uncomfortable when you're around people. But it is really important for you to not be in a rush when you're talking to the other person. Being in a rush will show that you're not really interested in what the other person is saying. And the person whom you're having conversation with will think that you are not interested in them and might find reasons to dislike you. Now, I don't want anyone to be disliked here, and that is why I hope you use these few tips that I've given to be a more lovable person in your group. I'm sure you cannot change your entire personality type, but if you're in a new group, you might want to use these tips till your new group gets to know you better. That's it, folks, for today. I hope you really liked this video. Now, if you aren't following me on Instagram, then I recommend you to go right now to Instagram and follow with.anisha. I've done a whole IGTV series on personality development, so you might want to go and check that out. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure that you do it, and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you're first notified when our next video is out. Bye for now, guys. See you in the next